Hey there, tech enthusiasts. If you're watching this in 2025 and you're pulling your hair out because your iPhone isn't notifying you about messages on Messenger, you're in the right place. We've all been there. Missing important chats can be a real headache. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through simple, step-by-step fixes to get those notifications back up and running. By the end, you'll be back to buzzing with every new message. Let's dive in. First off, start with the basics. Open your Settings app on your iPhone. It's that gear icon you're probably familiar with. Scroll down and tap on Notifications. Look for Messenger in the list and make sure it's enabled. If it's not, toggle it on and customize your alert style, like banners or sounds, to your preference. This is often the culprit for silent notifications. Next, check your app permissions. Go back to Settings, then tap on Privacy and Security. Under Location Services or Notifications, ensure Messenger has the necessary access. Sometimes, iOS updates in 2025 might reset these, so double-check everything is allowed. If it's not, grant the permissions and test by sending yourself a message. Now, let's try a quick restart. Hold down the side button and a volume button until the power off slider appears, then slide to shut down. Wait a few seconds and turn it back on. This simple trick can resolve minor glitches that block notifications. Don't forget to update your apps in iOS. Head to the App Store, search for Messenger, and hit Update if available. Also, go to Settings, General, Software Update to ensure your iPhone is running the latest iOS version for 2025. It often includes bug fixes for notification issues. If that doesn't work, check Do Not Disturb or Focus modes. Swipe down from the top right to open Control Center and make sure it's turned off. You can also go to Settings, Focus to tweak any custom modes that might be silencing alerts. As a last resort, reset the app's settings. Go to Settings, Messenger and look for the Reset option, but be cautious as this might log you out. If none of these steps help, it could be a deeper issue. Consider reaching out to Apple support. There you have it. With these easy fixes, you should be getting those Messenger notifications in no time. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Stay connected and thanks for watching.